right. Oh, capitalism? Pfft, who wants capitalism? Dude, get it out of here! Look at the trees! Burn the trees! Yes, yes, you hear that, Eddington solicitors? Burn the trees. Right, we've got some little cave shops. What's to say? Sparky's Lakeside Restaurant. Oh, I'm excited. We gotta give them time to do everything here. Free boats. Free... Alright, well, he'll figure it out. He'll figure out what he's going to do with his life after this. Look, he's got his little free boat shop. Everything's going well. I think he's... Poor Niper. Poor Niper. Look, I mean, if you give me the option of something being free, I am just going to... Oh, he's finding a new place. Look, if you give me the something...